I think I want to do like a couple of patterns in a row and then connect them together. So I think maybe as the first one, starting with the out and the up point. And so one-handed drilling would be just up and down, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and switch hands and do the other hand. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then let's do 10 together. So out and up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's start it where it's out on the right, but up on the left. So it would be like this. 1, 2. You start by moving your right hand up to that position. Actually, now I'm going to switch it back because the colors will be the correct colors for you, not me. So you start by moving your right hand up, and then once your right hand gets to the top, what you do is you move both of them, and you, but you move one up while the other one goes down. So start with this hand out the side. Then as soon as this one goes up, move them both. Start with your left one out to the side, and as soon as your right one gets to the top, move them both. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then we can start it the other way if that's easier, where you put your right arm out to the side, and then you start by your left one going up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.